Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So if this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm out here in the master plan community of Summerlin. So there's a new neighborhood by Tri-Point, and it's called Vertek. These are actually modern townhomes. They consist of a total of 128 lots. They just had their grand opening today. You have 4 different floor plans to pick and choose from. Now, these are townhomes. This one right here, this is plan 3, which is 1,914 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Base price starts off at $499. Then on the end here, we have the plan 2, which is 1,824, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Base price starts off at $492,000. Then the center one is plan 1, which is 1,790 square feet. You have an option for 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Now they do make these with a total of 4 units. If it is with 4 units, the center one is going to be a plan 2X, which is 1,838 square feet. Base price starts off at $479. Now, like I said, they consist of 128 units. HOAs here are going to be $225 a month, and that also includes the Summerlin master plan fee as well. Now, as you can see, the garage are going to be in the front of the home, but then on the back side, or actually on the side of the home, is going to be your entry for the end caps and obviously the center here. Now, they did build these homes in Inspirata too, as well. SIDS, Special Improvement District, balances around $8,000. You do have payments semi-annually, about $350. Okay, so here's the sales office. Now, another thing is, if you guys are planning on coming out here to tour this, is fine. Make sure to reach on out to my guy Kyle and let him know that you were referred to me by Chakits. I've seen his videos. Talk to Kyle because he's actually my go-to guy. So right here, what we're gonna do is we are gonna be looking at plan 3, 3 bedrooms with the loft. And these end caps are gonna have more of a backyard just like this. Now today we actually have a broker's open, so there's a lot of agents here, so keep that in mind. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna see what's going on. Okay, first floor, 9-foot ceilings. You got some puck lights, and we have some Santa Fe texture, okay? On the floor here, as you can see, these are actually LVP. This is a upgrade that you can do. Now, there's not too many options that you could do with this build here, okay? Right here, we have a 6x8 slide. I'm gonna take you guys out to the backyard real quick. Now, the backyard is a pretty decent size. Now, the question is, how much are these lots? They range from $0 all the way up to $40,000, especially on the bigger size or the corner size lots. Now, this one is pretty unique because you have 2 AC units on this one right here, okay? But remember, the backyard is going to be just bare minimum of just all dirt, so you're not going to have all this. But this is creative how they did this backyard. And they do have some nice texture and stucco here with the pop outs. All right, so let's go inside. Let's take a look around. Let's see what they got here. Okay, as you can see, we got 42 upper cabinets with a 1-inch crown. You got beautiful quartz with some nice veining, 2-inch front face, and you have a 3-inch modern baseboards. So let's take a look at these cabinets. What do we got with the cabinets here? So as you can see with the cabinets, we got the side glides, MDFs. Okay, they're not soft closing cabinets. And we have GE package appliances. And let's see if this thing actually exhausts out here. Okay, these are all full overlay cabinets. Appliances are not included. Now keep in mind, there are incentives with this builder too. If you use their lender, you got the distributed sounds that are an upgrade. You also have this pendant lighting right here down the center. This is a upgrade. Let's take a look at the dishwasher, under mounted sink, upgraded with the push button as well. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Right here, let's see what we got. Oh, we have a pantry. Pretty decent sized pantry. Santa Fe texture, 2 inches around the casing, solid door, upgraded with all the hardware. Right here, one of the options that you could do is actually do a storage right here. This would just be a pony wall. That's an additional upgrade. Here's your 2-car garage. Now, this 2-car garage is locked, so we can't get inside. Here we have a half bath. Now, typically with the half bath, comes with the pedestal, so you'll have the option to do that upgrade as well. Okay. On the supply line, you got the quarter turn as well, upgraded with the hardware. Okay. We have additional storage here. Let's see what the storage looks like. Okay. Pretty decent size for the coat closet. So as you can see, it's just pretty nice and open here. So you do have a upgrade options where you can do some wiring. Okay. Now let's make our way upstairs. So we got a couple steps before we hit this landing. We got the industrial padding on here, which is really nice. Get you a different view from right here. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button by showing the love and showing the support. All right, we're gonna make our way upstairs. We're gonna take a look at this loft. We're gonna see what's going on. Again, this pony wall right here, the banister completely upgraded. Okay. You do have some cabinets right here in the loft. That is not included. However, you do have that option if you want to add some cabinets. Here, you're going to go ahead and add the pre-wire with your Smurf tube. Then, I've noticed the ceilings here are 9-foot ceilings, 6'8" on the doors. This is your primary, looks like. Larger door. Okay. Not bad. All right, so let's go take a look at the primary. So primary option that you have here is we could add a door right here if you choose to. We have 24 by 24 porcelain tile. Now keep in mind, some builders will not let you do tile on the second floor. We have a tub shower combo. This is nice and wide. However, you have an option to do just a walk-in shower. But because this is wide enough, I would probably definitely just use this stock and standard because eventually I'm going to rent this thing out. Also notice there's some wallpaper here. Now with the wallpaper here, this may not be used for the bathroom. I don't know. That's something you have to check. Also, the builder may not have that option for you as well. Typically, builders won't. These are aftermarket. Okay. Here's your cabinet under mounted sink, cast iron. And again, you have Delta. So Delta has a contract with Tri-Point. These mirrors right here will not be included, or these sconset lightings. However, you can definitely pre-wire and do these and add this mirror if you choose to. Let's take a look at your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet looks to be about, 5 by 8. Remember, this home is not that large. I would feel like this townhome is kind of like more like a starter. Okay. Here's another closet, but remember, you can make this a shower. Here's your water closet. All right, let's see what else we got going on. Definitely a nice view of the Las Vegas Strip. What do we have here? Here is our linen closet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. So actually 5 shelves. We have a second thermostat here. Right above us, we have the AC filters. These are the 22 by 20s with the transfer duct here. Off to the left, we have our laundry room upgraded on the tile wallpaper. Love the fact that we have that drain pan. You have the option to get the front loaded washer and dryer. It is gas. Upper cabinets is also a upgrade. 48-inch on the smart panel box. Let's see if we can open this thing up. What do we have here? So definitely we have a Smurf tube to the D mark, which is nice. We have your Cat 6 and your coax cable. Okay. Now let's make our way into this bedroom. So this is a pretty small bedroom. It's not large of a bedroom whatsoever. Now these bedrooms here, right? Give me a second. So this bedroom, to give you an idea, is 10 by 10. The other one is 9 by 10. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to mention, the Loft is a 12 by 12. I had to look at the stats real quick. Let me show you outside. Not bad. Okay. Coming into the bathroom, I love the recyclable tile here, which is really nice. Not too sure what the name of that tile is. Let me know in the comments below. Now we have a fiberglass, one-piece shower with the encasing. Oh, they upgraded all the lights here. Not feeling the brown. Pretty much same product all the way across. This one right here, we have 36 inches on the cabinet, which is really nice. Then, did we look at this bedroom? No, we have not looked at this bedroom yet. Love the corner windows here. Not bad. See that light flickering? That means you need to check that panel to make sure, is it a 200 amp breaker or is it a 220 amp breaker at the power box. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. Don't forget to comment, like, and share with all your friends and family. We definitely love to earn your business. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.